I'm going to give you 5 printable ideas that you should be selling on Etsy that will make you money, and I'm even going to show you the listings on Etsy as well as how you can use Kittl to make them and make your life easier. Now, I had a conversation with Sandra D a couple of months ago, and she is a printable Etsy guru, and you're going to want to check out that interview, which you can do in the cards right here, or you can watch it after this video. So starting things off with number 1 is printable or digital planners or checklists. As you can see from this massive search result on Etsy, there is no shortage of digital planners, checklists, calendars, goal setting sheets, and clearly people are buying this. I mean, this one right here has over 20,000 reviews and a star seller for digital planners. Now, I'm going to search for printable weekly calendar and look at all of these results. Another store here with over 20,000 reviews. And these types of products are super easy to create and list on your Etsy shop. Now, right here is an example of a quick 5-day work week calendar I made in Kittl in just a few minutes. It's nothing super special. I just used simple rectangle shapes, lines, and a nice color palette. Here's another template on Kittl of a daily checklist that you could easily go in and edit, and you can curate this to create your own downloadable checklist pack on Etsy. And you could replicate this out in a ton of different niches, styles, whatever it is that you're trying to tap into. These calendars, checklists, planners, whatever, are definitely selling super well on Etsy. Moving on, the second printable is personalized thank you cards and invitations, and really just any stationery in general. Let's go back to Etsy and type in personalized printable birthday card, and you'll see a wide range of styles and niches, and all of these shops are performing really well. Now, Kittl is the absolute perfect place for this because we've got thousands of editable card templates for you to search, customize, and list on your Etsy shop super quick. And as you can see, our templates are truly some of the best, and it's beyond easy to edit them in our editor so that you can prepare them in whatever size and format that you need. And you can easily duplicate your template and go back and keep track of all of your personalized orders for Etsy. We actually have a lot of people doing this, and doing this not just for cards, but things like notebooks and everything in between. So you can definitely do this using Kittl as a powerhouse for Etsy. The third printable idea is custom product labels. And of course, you're going to want to get specific about the type of product that you are making a label for. But if I type in custom product label on Etsy, you'll see a wide range of product tags for a variety of different products, as well as the style of the label, like it may be a sticker or it may be an actual tag and so on, and things that you may print at home. But let's go ahead and refine our search to printable custom product label, and you'll see that a lot of similar listings come up, and some even show the printed version like this one right here. As you can see, it's actually been printed out, which is super important. Now, another important thing to note here is that while some stores have thousands of reviews, many of these top search results are only in the hundreds, which is great news for you, and that it's not too late to start. Now let's get even narrower and search printable custom candle label, and you can see clearly there is a need for labels because these shops have a lot of reviews. Now, Kittl is going to take your label making game to the next level, because from the home page here, we can easily select our labels category, click on our cosmetics tag, and look at all of these labels with a similar feel to the ones you just saw on Etsy. And just like you saw with the personalized cards, you can easily click in and edit this template in a way that you can get these listed on Etsy fast. Next up is custom business card templates, and even while there are sites like Vistaprint where you can go design the card and even print it and get it sent to your house, people are opting in to trying to print it out at home and even getting varied with the type of size of card and using QR codes and so on and things like that. But what they lack is the design experience, and this is where Etsy comes in. So I've searched printable custom business card template, and you can see all of these different results come up, and some of them are even highlighting a video right here where it's showing you how you can edit the design and download it yourself, which you could easily be doing in Kittl. So let's go to logos here, for example. Let's select one. Let's format the size as a business card, and then check out what it looks like on one of our business card mockups in the mockup generator, which, by the way, you can use as the thumbnail image on your Etsy listings. You could actually sell the link to this template where they could come to Kittl and edit themselves. And I've got a video on how to provide a private link, a private product project link, which you can check out in the cards right here. Now, bringing us home with number 5 is one I would have never thought of, but Sandra in our conversation assured us that resumes and bookkeeping templates sell super well. And if you think about it, it makes a lot of sense because no one wants to make those documents. So if I just type in resume template, look at the sheer amount of listings that come up. Everything from simple text-based resumes to fancy ones with pictures and icons, and obviously the options are limitless. Now let's type in something like invoice template, and while we do have a ton of listings, what I'm noticing is that the best selling listings have descriptive words like minimal in them, or some sort of word that describes the business. So you have an opportunity here to create some really cool invoice templates for a niche or a variety of niches that people will want to use for their business. For example, let's say someone has a vintage-esque kind of handcrafted vibe to their Etsy shop. Maybe they're doing fine handcrafted leather or something like that, and it's a little bit more vintagey like back in the day. Well, we actually have a template on Kittl that would suit that perfect. By Visual Colony, they made this template, which would be perfect for an invoice or SOW that maybe this seller would be looking for to match their style. So you could even come over here to the text panel, pop up one of our text block presets like this one, and edit your services, include prices, and set this up as a template that you could list on Etsy. So those are the 5 printable ideas that you may not have thought of that you should be selling on Etsy and making more money. So I would encourage you to go ahead and get started making some of these and use Kittl as your tool combined with Etsy to be the ultimate powerhouse for this. You can sign up to try out Kittl for free using the link down in the description if you haven't already, and I have tons of other videos here to help you get started. And don't forget to check out the interview where I'm talking with Sandra about the best way to create, list, and sell printables on Etsy. She is a master, and it was basically a mini masterclass. So again, don't forget to check out that video. And of course, don't forget to subscribe. Now, if you want to see other tutorials using Kittl, I have these videos here on my right that I know you're going to enjoy. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel so you don't miss any upcoming videos and features and things like that. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video.